Welcome back to another video. Asta here, and today I'm going to show you on how to use the get multiple rows action within Google Sheets. A great use case for this is if you have a customer or client who's got a product list in their Google Sheets that is constantly updating. This is one way that you can always ensure that your bot is always up to date with what you guys have. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Amazing. So as you can see, I have a brand new account here. I'm just going to give it a name such as Coffee House. Click continue. Keep it real simple. And we're immediately taken to the CVB dashboard. So this is the analytics section of the CVB dashboard. So the very first thing I want to do is connect my Google Sheets to this. And so I already have one ready, which I'm going to show you in a second. I'm just going to drag this one over right here. As you can see, I've got already a few products in here. But yes, we want to connect that up. So the first thing I'm going to do is head over to settings, integrations, scroll down to Google Sheets, and click connect. Now all I have to do here is just provide the email that I want to choose for this, give it all these permissions, and we have Google Sheets connected. Now all I need to do is just click on manage, and from here we're going to click on create new. And so I'm going to give this one a name, the menu. I'm going to go back to my Google Sheets, and I'm just going to grab this URL right here, just like that. Click continue. And we've added our Google Sheets. Great, so now one last thing we'll do is head over to integrations again. OpenAI ChatGPT, let's turn AI auto reply off, click save, and then head on over to general, and where it says fallback flow, we'll select the default flow and click save. Perfect. Now we want to head over back to flows, and we're going to click on default reply. And in here, I'm going to click on this one right here, generate text response, and click on OpenAI. Now, I already have a prompt ready for us to save us some time. This, copy and paste, we can go over it together. So as you can see, it's got the assistant persona, so name, role, personality. Under business information, I got things such as business name, hours, location, phone number, email. So like all of your business information, just put it right in here. Maybe if you've got several branches, etc. And on the guidelines, I just have always greet customers in a warm and upbeat way with an example. If asked about store details, provide business hours, address, or contact information listed above. Keep answers short, clear, and friendly, so on and so forth. Again, you can fully customize this. This is a super easy one that I've just prepared for this video. Now, user message, last input, that's fine. Save response to a custom field, AI default reply, and then AI tools, we just remove that. Now, in user message, I don't like touching this, but for this example, I will, and I'll just put here users message, last input, and then below I'll just say my products. I'll have it in the custom field my products right here. Okay, then we'll keep temperature at 0.3, tokens perfectly fine. Click continue. Now if you don't see my product custom field, let's just click publish. We're not done with the default reply yet, but I just want to show you this quickly. If you don't see my product custom field, you probably won't because it's a custom one that I've created. Go to custom fields right here, and where it says custom fields, you can click on add. I just typed in my product, type as a text, and then description. I just left it and click continue. And you got a custom field then from the drop down menu. So let's head back into our default reply right here. So I'm not going to have this as the starting step. As the starting step, I'm going to click on the plus here, send message, drag it here, set this one as the starting step, and click on this. Add content, actions, Google Sheets. Now I'm going to configure this. So Google Sheets, actions, will be get multiple rows. I'll choose the spreadsheet, coffee menu, the worksheet, sheet number 1. And you can have lookup by column, so return rows that match all filters. I'll leave that as is right now. Max number of rows to return. So right now I have only 7 different menu items. So I'll just keep it at 10. That's completely fine. And then save to custom field. So this is where I have my product. And I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to connect this right up here. Okay, so this is the entire flow of the default reply. I'm going to click publish, and now we want to head back out and we're going to go to welcome message. Now welcome message usually comes as a default flow, which means you already have something set up. I just cleared this very quickly so you can go through it brand new. So I'll click on it here, add content, I'll have text, add content, and I'll select a GIF. Keep things light. This is the first message that your customers or clients will see. So for this one, I just like to keep it really light. I'll have it as coffee, and we have a bunch of great options here. I'm gonna pick this one here. I'm gonna say, hey, welcome to, what do we call this? Coffee Brew Hub. How can we help you? And that's it for the welcome message. I'm gonna click publish, and let's preview this right now. So now we're gonna get greeted with the GIF. Welcome to Coffee Brew Hub. How can we help you? And I'm gonna ask something like, where are you located? And I'm gonna go out. And this is the information we have in the business information prompt in the default reply. So it's gonna come back with 123 Bean Street, Brewtown. So I made that up, obviously. But let's ask for a menu item. So let's see, we have a latte at $4, creamy espresso with steamed milk topped with a thin layer of foam. So I'm gonna say, cool. Do you have a latte? Now it should go through that Google Sheet and tell us, absolutely, our latte is a creamy espresso with steamed milk topped with thin layer of foam. It's $4. Would you like to give it a try? I can be like, sure. When are you closing? Then it's gonna go back. It's gonna say, great choice. We are open until 6 p.m. Monday through Friday and until 4 p.m. on Saturdays. Let me just see with my knowledge bit. Yeah, great. Great choice. We open up until. That's 100% correct. Now let's look at a different thing. Let's say mocha. So I'm just gonna ask it. My friend only drinks mocha. And let's see if it comes back with that as well. So awesome. Our mocha is a delicious blend of espresso. The sweet is $4.50. Mocha, $4.50. Let's say that I'm the client and I want to update this. And so I'm gonna say sweet biscuit. Actually, let's ask first. Yeah? Do you have any sweet? I completely misspelled that. Let me just fix that. There we go. That'll do. And it should tell us that it doesn't. So we currently focus on coffee drinks. We don't have any sweet biscuits on the menu, but I'm happy to help. So let's just add that. Let me just copy this. I'm the client. I'm now adding to the menu, and we'll put this at $300. A sweet delight. And I want to say, are you sure? And now it's gonna check again, and it's gonna say, thanks for checking. We do have sweet biscuits, but it's just a heads up, they're priced at $300. So if you're interested or want to know more, I'm here to help. I love how is it, but just a heads up. So yes, you can completely customize this. Your customer can completely customize this however they wish. Let's say we want to change the latte from $4 to $12, just like this. I can be like, oh cool, that's fine. What about latte? So now it's gonna go check again, and it's gonna give us the updated price. So right, our latte is cream blah blah blah, and it's $12. Let me know if you like. So let's check it out, and it is $12. Okay, so I've just closed those. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a fun one. I'm absolutely pumped about this because we've had so many requests for get multiple rows. This really enables us to just literally hand over a Google Sheet to our customer and be like, hey, listen, there you go. If you're updating, just update it. The bot is gonna just follow along rather than constant back and forth, price changes. I've actually had this myself where I have a client with a ton of different products, and every 3 months they come, and they're like, hey, we gotta change this whole section, or the prices of this is increasing. And sometimes it's a lot more frequent where it's like singular products that are changing, and that is just a nightmare because they have it updated on their system, on their Google Sheets, and then they send it over to us and we have to update it. So this removes all of that, right? The client literally just adds in the products that they have with the descriptions, prices, or whatever it is, and the AI handles the rest. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.